Okay, young scientists, for this experiment, we're going to create secret messages. And we're going to create invisible ink using a lemon and learning about the oxidizing properties of a lemon and what is actually going on in the chemistry with a lemon in order for us to create invisible ink. So what we're going to do is just take any household lemon and cut it. I'm going to cut mine in half. And I am going to put some liquid into a bowl. Looks good, smells good too. All right. And I have a little bit of liquid in there. I have a random seed that decided to jump into the bowl as well. I'm going to take a little bit of water, not much at all. Just a little splash. Okay. So a little splash of water, any type of tap water. That's just tap water in that bottled water. I'm going to mix it around. And what we're going to do is we're going to take some plain paper out of our notebook. And you can use cotton balls, you could use the toothpicks that we provided with you, or you can use some simple Q-tips. You're going to dip that in there, and you're going to write secret messages onto your plain white paper. I'm going to have to write mine off a little bit because I have a spill here. All right, and right now you can kind of see what you wrote down. And in my case, because I'm using paper that already has the blue lines on it, you can kind of see a little bit where the blue lines were. However, let's let this dry, and then what we're going to do is look at it under a light, and we're going to talk about oxidation. Why on earth are we able to write secret messages where you can't see the ink once it dries with a lemon, and then it becomes visible in front of a light after we've allowed it to dry? So let's let this dry, and in about a day we'll bring it up, or even later on this afternoon if you'd like, you can bring it up in front of a light and see how that then becomes visible, and the invisible ink then becomes visible. This is a great fun activity to do with your friends, and do with your siblings or anybody nearby if you want to create secret messages to them. So I hope you have a good time with this science challenge.